My name is Karen Daneshvari. My home search started when my husband and I retired, and we decided to move to Kalamazoo from Southern California to live next to or near our daughter and grandson. Initially, I went out and I found a home that was good for us. But when I returned to California, after talking to our tax accountant, we realized that part of our property that had been a rental in California would be advantageous to use a 1031 exchange and buy rental property here. So since I was in California, it had to be all done long distance. And my real estate agent, Rick Krepus, suggested that I consider Allen Edwin Homes for many reasons. And that sounded good to me because my daughter actually lives in an Allen Edwin home, so I'm familiar with them and knew that they were really amazing in that they have so much space and lovely neighborhoods and yet remain affordable, which is great. I chose Allen Edwin Homes because number one, my real estate agent that I definitely trust recommended it by saying, listen, Karen, there's a 1-year total warranty on this, so you're not going to have to worry about anything that's going to go wrong because you can call them and they will fix it. And that certainly has been the case. We did the entire deal over the telephone. Tom Vlecko was fantastic to work with, very helpful, because the day that we finalized the sale was the day that the moving van arrived to move us out of California. So anyway, it was a full-on effort on everybody's part. I purchased 3 spec homes. They were in various states of under construction. So we had 45 days to indicate what the exact address was going to be, but we had 180 days until we had to close the sale when the houses were finished. And everybody worked together, got it done, we got in time, and it worked really well. I have 3 homes, and the floor plans that I chose, 2 of them are 1830, and 1 of them is 1810. The 1830, one of the 1830s is in Mattawan at Silvergrass. And the other 2, which are 1810 and 1830, are side by side at Gilmore Farms Phase 2 in Richland. My favorite part of 2 of the houses in Richland is that they have walkouts on the basement floor. And on the main level, they have big decks, which my tenants are really using to have barbecues, and they've got tables out there. It just adds an extra dimension to that. My favorite part about the Mattawan house is that it has a lot of trees around it, and it just is a very nice layout for that house as well. Well, certainly one important aspect was the quality of the schools there. The Mattawan School District and the Gull Lake school system are high quality and the kind of place that parents would be drawn to, knowing that their children are going to get a superb education. When I started the process of buying the home, I felt so comfortable with the professionalism, but also the warmth and kindness that I got from Tom Vlecka with Allen Edwin, and my real estate agent, Rick Krepis, with Jayquay Realty. They explained everything. They told me about all the advantages that were possible that comes with the warranty, the 1-year warranty. It just made me feel very secure and comfortable, especially since I was buying it from over 2,000 miles away. So that was wonderful. And once we did finish the process of buying it, I got to do walkthroughs, and then at the 2-month period, I met with Allen Edwin's inspector, Phil, and he walked through all 3 homes with me and noticed details that I didn't notice, and he handled it all so well. He prioritized things that needed to be taken care of right away and things that should wait till the 11-month inspection. He coordinated convenient times for my tenants, and he sent really good quality workmen there. I usually came out to be a presence if the tenant couldn't be there, and they did just a fantastic job. When I was trying to choose a home or homes, 3 homes, I definitely wanted something that didn't have a lot of surprises for me, especially moving across country and moving to a state I'd never lived in before. I wanted something that I knew would not suddenly need a new roof, or something that a previously owned house would have had. So this 1-year warranty, and then there's a lengthy warranty on the structure as well, really sold me on it. If somebody is looking to buy a home, I would definitely recommend Allen Edwin, not just from my own experience with these rentals, but my daughter, who's a professor at Western Med, she and her husband and son live in an Applegate, Allen Edwin community, and their house is large and airy and filled with light. Wonderful neighborhood. My grandson has kids to play with right on his front door. The school bus comes half a block away. It's very safe, very quiet. And the house itself is very roomy, comfortable, and just a lovely environment. So I would highly recommend it.